Hello students, how are you? Today I'm going to discuss the giving tree. Already I have made one video on this chapter, and today I'm going to make video number 2 on this chapter. Try to understand this story. We know very well in this story here is a brief conversation between the tree and the boy. They were talking with each other, and we know very well here the boy was very selfish, and when he was small on that time the tree helped him, but he was when he was going to big on that time he requested the tree to give something, and the tree gave him continuously. After that we will learn about this thing what happened. So we know very well here's a small boy, okay, and he would come and he would gather her leaves and make them into crowns, okay, and the name of the tree was apple tree. Which type of tree? Apple, okay. Now I'm going to start the second part of this story. But time went by, the boy grew older, and the tree was often alone. It means what? At first he was child, now he is going to he became big, and it means what? But time changed, grew older, the boy grew older, and he was busy in his work, and the tree was alone. Then one day the boy came to the tree. Who came to the tree? The boy came to the tree, okay. For what purpose? The tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and eat apples and play in my shade and be happy." Who has given this proposal? The tree has given this beautiful proposal. To whom? The boy. Because tree loves him very much. That's why he told he he has given a good proposal to him. Okay. I'm too big to climb and play. I'm too big. It means what? Who is too big? The boy is too big. The boy is not small. The boy is too big to climb and play, said the boy. Okay, when he was small, on that moment, he was playing on the branches of the tree, and he was jumping from one place to another place. But now he is going to big. Okay, he is growing big. The boy grew older. I want to buy things and have fun. I want some money. It means what? When he was small, then he needed toys. He needed play only. He wanted to play only. But now time changed. He wanted to purchase something. He wanted to fulfill his desires. That's why his desire, his taste and preference is totally changed. Okay. That's why I'm sorry, said the tree. Who said? The tree said. I'm sorry, said the tree, but I have no money. No money. Who said? The boy said, I have no money. So take my apples. Who told? Take my apples. The tree told, take my apples and sell them in the city. Where he will sell? He will sell in the cities. Okay. Then you will have money and you will be happy. It means what? Here's a brief conversation between the tree and the boy. The tree has given the proposal to the boy to sell some apples into the market, and the boy accepted this proposal and told that, okay, I will sell it into the market and earn money. Okay. So the boy climbed up the tree and gathered her apples and carried them away. Okay. It means what? After accepting the proposal of the tree, he collected some apples and carried to the market, and the tree was very happy. Why tree was very happy? Because he has fulfilled his desire. Which type of desire? The boy's desire. What was the desire? He wanted to gather some money. He wanted to earn money. That's why he was very happy. Who was very happy? The tree was very happy and the boy was very happy. But the boy stayed away for long, and the tree was sad. It means what? The boy did not return, and tree was alone. In the and he was feeling very sad. And then one day the boy came back, and the tree shook with joy, and said, "Come, boy." Who told? And the one day the boy came back. Who came back? The boy. And the tree shook with joy. Who shook with joy? The tree. Because the boy came for long. Okay, that's why he was very happy. Who was very happy? The tree was very happy. Climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and be happy. He has given the proposal to the boy. Okay. The And I'm too busy to climb tree, said the boy. Who said? The boy said. Who was busy? The boy was busy. Okay. Why did he say these things? Because he was busy to earn money from the market. That's why he said. We know very well. Here's the trees. Here is the boy. Boy is very selfish because he demanded something from the tree, and the tree always fulfilled his desire. Today I have discussed till here. In next video I will discuss next part of the story. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.